Hi you guys, and welcome to my Get Ready With Me video. I've got a lot to cover with you guys today. We're going to be trying out some new products, so let's just go ahead and get started. And I'm starting off highlighting my brow bone with the MAC Extra Dimension Skin Finish. This is in the color Beaming. So I'll be using that right on my brow bone. Now I'm using my McGrath Subliminal palette, and I'm using the color Depth for my transition color. And now I'm using Extreme Black on my outer V and then just sweeping it across the crease. So this is going to be somewhat of a smoky look. So I'm using that black starting at the outer V and just sweeping it across. And I am just taking my time with this. I want to make sure that everything is nice and blended, as always. And now I'm going to carve out my my lid. I'm going to carve out that lid using some concealer. So this is not going to be an overly dramatic cut crease type of look, but I do want that lid to stand out. And I'm just taking whatever remaining black eyeshadow I had on the brush and just blending that in. Making sure it's nice and soft on the edges. And doing the same thing on the other eye. Now I'm going to be using the Skin Show Nude color out of this palette, and I'm going to be packing that right over the concealed area, or the area where I just applied the concealer, and just tapping that into place on the lid. And now I'm adding a bit of the color Substance out of the palette, and I'm adding that right where the black and the concealer came together, just blending that out really nicely. And now I am using some glitter glue because I'm going to be using some glitter for this look. You guys know that I've been going bold in 2018, so I've got a dinner party to go to tonight, so I'm going all the way. So we're going to be adding that glitter glue, and we're going to be using this glitter from Lena Lashes called Dazzle Daze. It's absolutely beautiful. I love this glitter because it's very, very finely milled, so it's very comfortable to wear on the eye. And now I'm going to be adding my eyeliner, and we're going to apply some mascara, and we're going to also apply some lashes. And I'm doing a little bit of color correcting. And this is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. It's in the color Amber Honey. And I've heard so much about this foundation, you guys, but I've never had a chance to try it myself. So this is my first time. So stick around to the end of the video so you can see the final results or how this foundation actually wears. I've got some outdoor selfies and some indoor selfies. But I think I may have found a new foundation, bae. I'm going to wear this foundation a couple more times just to really see how I feel about it, and I'm going to come back and do a review for you guys on this foundation. I'm also trying out the Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer, and I'm using two colors. One color is in deep neutral and the other is in medium warm. And I really like the coverage of this concealer. I've been using Shape Tape for quite some time, but I might be making a switch over. And now I'm going to set the under eyes and set in all the areas where I have applied that concealer. And then we're going to move on to contouring, blush, and powder. And now I'm dusting under the eyes with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Highlight and Contour Kit. This is in the color Peaches and Cream. And now I'm using the color Depth again, and I'm using that on my waterline just to smoke out that waterline a bit. And I'm using the highlighter to highlight the inner corner of the eye, right at the tear duct. And I'm going to be touching up my brows just a little bit. And now it's time for lips. And now I'm lining and filling my lips with the MAC lip pencil. It's in the color Burgundy. So I'm going to be lining and filling the lips, and then I'm going to be using a liquid lipstick from Lena Lashes. It's in the color Dante. And I'm going to use some of the Fenty Glow Gloss Balm on top of that lip color. I'm drying my setting spray. And now the finished look.